Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I have got video number 4 of 4 from the Kitchen Table Stamper Paper and Ink card class for July for you. This one's a little bit different because what I'm doing is making a bunch of the extra cards that I prepared to send to welcome new Kitchenettes. So we're gonna make this welcome friend card, and we're gonna make a bunch of them for my brand new Kitchenettes who joined during the extra promotion. All right, so let's talk about this card and the supplies that you need to make it. We'll get started. I've got for this project, if you want to make this welcome friend note card, you'll need the Time for Tags host set. This is a stamp set that you cannot buy, but you can earn it for free when you place an order of $150 or more, or when you collect orders of $150 or more. So you can do a book party, just share the catalog with your friends, collect their orders, and then when the orders total more than $150, you earn Stampin' Rewards. The Stampin' Rewards allow you to cash in for exclusive stamp sets, and this is one of them, and it's one of my favorite in the new annual catalog. So we're gonna use this Welcome Friend pineapple tag, and it coordinates with the Timeless Label Punch, which is brand new in the annual catalog. I've also got my Tailored Tag Punch. I'm gonna use that one for my dovetail. I've gone ahead because the kits are available as an incentive this month. If you place a $50 order with the host code on marisaAlvarez.stampinup.net, when you use the host code, your order's over $50, you get a kit for each of the 4 paper and ink card class cards. Check out the links below the video so you can see the other 4 cards. But I do all of the prep work for you for these cards. So I already embossed our So Saffron with this tufted embossing folder. You'll need that one if you don't have a kit. And then I've also done the die cutting. This is the Stitched Labels dies, and I've die cut this beautiful scallop label. All right, so let's take a look at the kits while we're here, and then we'll circle back to ink, okay? So in the kit, you'll receive an envelope. I didn't put them in yet, but you'll get your envelopes. I've got a very vanilla card base. This is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. My tufted piece is So Saffron, and it's 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. I've got a piece of Designer Series paper from the Mosaic Mood Designer Series paper, and this is the crushed curry piece is 1 by 3 1/4, and then this multicolored green, a mint macaron and garden green leaf pattern. Do you see? Is the light catching that embossing? It's got that beautiful clear embossed detail. This piece is 3/4 by 2 3/4. I've got the label. It's already die cut for you, but 2 3/4 by 3 1/2 crushed curry will do that for you. And a piece of 2 1/2 by 3 1/2 very vanilla for stamping and punching our pineapple. You could probably get 2 out of there. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the ink for this project, and then we'll get stamping. So for this project, you'll need your Memento Tuxedo Black Stampin' Pad and Stampin' Blends. I've got Mango Melody, light and dark, so combo pack, and Mint Macaron, light and dark, so combo pack. That's it. It's a simple card. You're gonna love it. All right, so we're gonna start by inking up our little pineapple welcome friend in Memento Tuxedo Black, and then we're gonna color it in with Stampin' Blends. Now, I wanna watch the orientation of my punch. I'm gonna punch this way, so I'm gonna see if I can get 2 on here, because I'm making several of these for new Kitchenettes. I might as well do more than 1 stamp. Doesn't matter. I don't like the way the first image stamped. I needed a do-over anyways. All right, there's 2 sides to every paper. Let's see what we can do here. Much better. Oh, so cute. All right, so then we're gonna color up with simple 2-tone blending with the Stampin' Blends. So let me tell you, because today is the very last day for the extra promotion. I'm going to color my pineapple with light Mango Melody and shade with the darker Mango Melody. If you've ever thought about becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, today is your last call for the extra promotion in July. And what that is Stampin' Up! Demonstrators who join in July still only pay $99 for their starter kit. They still get $125 worth of product of their choice in their starter kit. But in addition to that, there's a $30 product bonus. So what that means is your starter kit is $150 of product your choice for $99, and shipping is free on starter kit. So it's a great time to get started with Stampin' Up!, whether it's for the discount or because you want to share Stampin' Up! With your friends to earn stamping supplies or income or awesome travel benefits. It's just a wonderful time to get started. So today is your last chance, last call for that. Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com is where you can email me if you have questions. There's always a link to join on YouTube underneath the video. So check it out if you're curious. I'd love to answer your questions. All right, so we're gonna do the same 2-shade blending for the leaves. I'm going in with the lighter shade first, kind of fill in, and then add some shadows with the darker mint macaron up from the center, and then we'll bring the two together. And I'm using little flicking strokes to bring those two shades together. Cute little pineapple, isn't that great? I gotta color a few more. I'll do that later though. All right, now got a punch here. We'll just line it up with a nice even border and punch it right out. I love me a stamp and punch coordination. All right, well, we're there. Let me just grab a couple of mini dimensionals. I'm gonna put 3 on the back here. Slide that to the side. I've got my tailored tag punch. Just a really quick little dovetail here. It's all in the details. It's all in the details, and we don't want crooked dovetails. Nice part is you can just go right back and adjust. Easy. I've got my little label here, and I die cut bunches of these for class, but I don't do removing those little bits. They're cut all the way through. They just like to kind of hang out. So I'm using my Take Your Pick tool for that. Love the Take Your Pick tool. We're only going to use half of the label. So we'll go ahead and cut right in the center. And then this one can be used for another project. I already got another pineapple stamped. Telling you, it's the fastest card ever. I hardly got a chance to talk to you about the Kitchenettes because of how fast this card came together. All right, little dry adhesive on the piece of tufted saffron. Make sure your card opens the right way. I've had an issue with that recently. Once bitten, twice shy. Watch what you're doing then. All right. Now, little adhesive on our label. Label goes about 1/4 inch from the bottom of the saffron and all the way to the edge. Then we're gonna take and put adhesive on our designer series papers. And we'll put them all the way to the edge. First, your multicolored green leaves, then your tile piece. Next up, get the dimensionals, and we'll apply our pineapple. There it is. Welcome, friend, or welcome to Stampin' Up! Kitchenettes. All right, you guys, if you've got any questions about the Stampin' Up! Opportunity or joining the Kitchenettes, got questions about the project or about how you can get your paper and ink card class kits absolutely free with your order, you can email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. Thanks for watching.